everyone, this is Jo from Safari Specialists. I am currently in camp, and as I'm traveling in October, it is rather warm. So I thought I would give you just my summer essentials pack list along with an idea of what you should pack for your safari. So the first item on your packing list should be your swimming costume. Many of the lodges have pools, so it's great to call off in the siesta period. I always pack a kikoi or sarong, of course sunblock, sunglasses, a comfortable hat, and a pair of your favorite sandals or slops. Along with this, I have packed a few pairs of safari longs, one pair of jeans, as some of the nights can be cooler, several tops, a few long sleeve tops, one jersey, a lightweight foldable jacket, as it can get cool in the mornings and on evening game drives, so layering is very important, socks, a pair of lightweight shoes, a sizable toiletry kit, and all of this fits in my safari regulation kit bag. So I hope this packing guideline video was helpful, and please do let us know if you have any questions. We are of course there to help.